Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another video. In today's tutorial I will show you how to get your refund on Wise. So first of all, we all make kind of mistakes and we go to buy a product and it's not really our mistake, it's actually the product's problem. So we buy a product and we don't like it and we really want to get our refund back. So how we can get our refund using Wise? It is pretty simple. So first of all, what you have to do is go straight ahead and open wise.com. so here it is. So that's how the Wise website looks like. If you don't have an account, you can just click on register. Here you can put your email, then you will go next, put some information about you, password, and then your phone number, and you will be done. Or else you can just join using your Gmail or Facebook or Apple account. So for those who doesn't already have an account, you just have to click on login. So that's how the website will look like. So how you can actually get a refund, basically it is pretty simple. So if you write, for example, here Wise refund and we search for it, will you refund my money? So Wise actually refunds your money to the bank account or the card that you paid with. So how we can actually make a refund on anything? So you go to the product, you ask the company for a refund, and right after that, automatically they won't even ask you or everything or anything about it. So here's some this is some hints if you want to learn about refund more. So I want a refund to my Wise balance. Wise refunds your money to the account you paid with. So learn about using balances in your Wise account. You can here check whatever you'd like from this help center. There is much of options in this help center that they can help you with. So basically, yeah, as I said before, so you go to your card, you go to the payment, you click on it, you have refund, you click on refund, and right after that you will be getting your refund. But just one more thing to say to you guys: don't refund a lot of stuff like randomly, because you will get banned and your account will get blocked. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.